Turning now to our forecast as we take a live look over downtown Detroit from the Southfield area. You can see the buildings there off in the distance. Hallie is back with more on a messy winter weather, a mixture kind of heading our way, right, Hallie?
Yeah, it's tricky with these temperatures. So temperatures from Detroit south will support rain showers until I think this evening, until about 5 or 6 o'clock, then try to mix anywhere to the north, though, of Detroit. Likely to see that mix with the onset, and even just snow showers north of I-69. So we really do have that mixed bag across lower Michigan. The winter weather advisory has already begun for all areas north of Detroit, but for Wayne, Washtenaw, Lenawee, and Monroe counties, it starts at 4 p.m. And both advisories to the north and south are until 4 a.m. tomorrow morning. Watch for slick road conditions, anticipating this as the evening drive wears on through the overnight hours. And then, of course, our temperatures, more ups and downs here in the coming days. Looking at the satellite and radar composite, you can see the snow up towards Saginaw, the Mount Pleasant area. Again, further north, mainly snow, but a good chunk of Metro Detroit, and most of it will see that back and forth between rain, sleet, even some freezing rain opportunities as we get into the afternoon. Seeing that from Lansing on over into Livingston County. Fowlerville, you're right on the cusp of that mix. And then for Hull, it's rain, and anywhere north of Brighton, we're seeing more of that mix. Heartland, again, seeing that mix between sleet and trying to squeeze in some freezing rain. These temperatures make it more of a challenge because we're just above freezing for areas like Hull, so you're going to bounce back and forth. Ann Arbor, once it starts, likely to start as rain, and then we get into the evening, as I mentioned, after about 5 or 6. It'll start mixing again with maybe some sleet or freezing rain as temperatures drop off. Further north, where it's cold enough, 30 to 32 degrees. We're going to mainly see those snow showers. So depending on where you are is really going to depend, of course, on how quickly those road conditions deteriorate. Looking at temperatures about 20 to 25 degrees colder than our 60-degree day yesterday, but winds aren't nearly as strong. Northeast winds about 20 to 25 as far as the gusts are concerned, but keeping us in the teens and 20s with our wind chills, even though our temperatures will be in the 30s. We start to look at what we're facing here. The colder air will pour in behind it temporarily tomorrow. You can see those teens and even single digits up toward Fargo. So tomorrow is going to be a bit of a challenge temperature-wise. We'll drop down below freezing tonight to support scattered snow showers and then stay in the 20s tomorrow. We look at our hour-by-hour forecast. Again, more of a mix, that rain, sleet, freezing rain combination coming and going in the afternoon, especially north of Detroit up toward Lapeer and Pontiac to the south of I-94, the onset of rain, and then that changeover this evening. It'll all change over to scattered snow showers with minor accumulations as we head into the overnight hours. Of course, you're going to see more substantial accumulations north of I-69, at least several inches, south up to an inch in some places, northern Livingston, northern Oakland County, and then less than a half inch to the south. Temperatures rebound quickly, though, after a cold day tomorrow. We're only going to be in the 20s tomorrow, but look at that, back into the 40s from Saturday into early next week. Stay with us, more 7 Action News coming up.